Okay, till last video we were done till the C3 cycle, Kelvin cycle, but in today's video we are going to look C4 cycle, C4 cycle. So let me just write few important, very important points. So C4 cycle has many names. We can also call this as a C4 pathway. We can call this as a C4 cycle. We can call this as a C4 photosynthesis. We also call this as a H and Slack pathway. This means these were the scientists who introduced, so just don't confuse from where we just get these names. H and Slack pathway. C4 cycle. Okay, these are the names. Then in this would be the alternative mechanism of what? This alternative mechanism to, not of, but to avoid phosphorylation. Phosphorespiration or phosphorylation, because phosphorylation, how let me we know in that cycle we have Rubisco, which is an enzyme where RUBP, the complete process I've discussed, but still Rubisco, which was supposed to bind with CO2, but it's bind with the O2, unfortunately by mistaken. So this means like how? Because if it's a leaf, these are the stomata. When stomata close, there's no intake or outtake, like no carbon dioxide going inside the leaf, not even oxygen is coming out. So if and Rubisco needs someone to have, so when carbon dioxide will not go, so this means it will bind with the oxygen. So that's why that is a mistaken in the wastage process, phosphorespiration, phosphorylation. And okay, and another point, this we know plant fix CO2. Plant fix CO2 means plant do work, plant help in the fixation of CO2 by what? In the presence of what? The maximum O2 concentration. I just told that O2 concentration, just because of course plant need to take carbon dioxide from the environment and not settle but make it or convert that into oxygen for the human being to survive, because without oxygen we cannot survive. So of course they are very helpful. That's why we do say that grow as much plant near your house, near where you live, so that they could help you more. Okay, then another point is it occurs in tropical region. Also we say that as a deserts region. So if you don't know, let me just tell you. We have classification, how we have tropical first, second we have subtropical, third we have temperature or the temp cell, but that's not important here. First is tropical. In this we need to give them temperature high temperature. This means water will be needed more in third areas or like areas. Okay, then we have subtropical, which need moderate, like the normal temperature, and the last one needs low temperature. That is temperate, if I'm not wrong. Subtropical, and temperate. Okay, so these are the region and these are classification. They need, so here if I written tropical region, this mean desert